Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create email templates in Outlook. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Microsoft Outlook, click on the Create One option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, creating templates in Outlook can be beneficial for streamlining your communication and improving productivity because number one, email templates allow you to save time by creating reusable structures for common types of emails. Instead of typing the same content repeatedly, you can simply select a template and customize it as needed. Of course, it ensures consistency in your communications, especially for messages that follow a standard format or contain specific information. And in return, it helps maintain professionalism and brand identity. But how do we create email templates here? The first thing you need to know is that now I'm gonna rename this template for now as something like this one. Of course, you can put as many as group of people here, like a list of people you want to send to. Say for example, this email is going to be a recurring email every month, like an update to your team. Say for example, I'm going to put something here. Right? Now, for you to be able to save this as an email template, all right? This is very important. You need to exit this window and go to the File tab right here on your Outlook. Now, from here, all you have to do is search for the File tab, all right? And then click on the Save As and make sure when saving the file, it's normally, the default is going to be Outlook message format Unicode, but you need to basically save as an Outlook template, all right? Now, the next thing that you need to do is you can also go to the draft itself. Go to the options menu. And from here, all you have to do is click on more options or save it as draft. All right. Now, when you save on draft, all you have to do is you can Control+S to save it and save it as draft. Now, in that sense, you would be able to have email templates in Outlook ready for you to use. All right. Now, you can always access and reuse these templates whenever needed, making your email communications more efficient and effective. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you all in the next video.